Hi everyone, I'm Andrea, Fitness and Wellness Director here at the Princess Anne, and I'm here to show you how to make a steamed summer roll. The nice thing about summer rolls is that they're super versatile. You can put anything you want into them, pretty much, just so there's something protein and some veggies, nice and fresh. That's really the key when it comes to summer rolls. I'm gonna start with these spring roll wrappers that I just picked up at my Harris Teeter, but you can also find lots of varieties at the Asian market, usually looking a little bit more like this. So I'm just gonna take my spring roll wrapper. They come very brittle, and you just dip it in some warm water. And all you have to do is just let it soften for just 30 seconds or so. It doesn't take long at all. You can pull it out when it's still a little bit hard. It will soften up as you work with it. So that still has a little crinkle to it. I'm just gonna put that on my working surface. I like to make these really pretty, so I'm gonna start with some carrots, which I'm just gonna lay in a pattern on the middle of the noodle, just right down the middle. And then in between those, I'm gonna add some fresh basil leaves and some mint. This will be really nice and fresh tasting. After that, I'm gonna add my vermicelli. To make this, all you have to do is take your noodles and put them in some boiling water and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then drain them and they'll be perfect. Don't have to boil them at all. After that, I'm gonna add my vegetables. So I'm gonna use today some cucumbers and some avocado. And then my protein today, I'll use in this one some shrimp. You can use really any protein that you have on hand. You can use something that you have left over from the grill. I also have chicken here that's just rotisserie chicken I've pulled off the bone. So really anything will do. You could even use chicken salad or whatever. It's really a sandwich just in a rice paper wrapper. So from here, I'm just going to fold over one side and tuck it in tightly as I can. Then I'm gonna fold in each side. Nice and tight, and then squeeze that together as I roll. And there I have a very pretty summer roll. I'm gonna throw together just a super simple dipping sauce, just using some sweet Thai style chili sauce and some sriracha, just a tiny little squirt of that for some spice. Mix that up. It'll be sweet and spicy, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of peanuts on top, and that'll give some salty, crunchy element, so it'll be super, just flavor bomb right here. And then you just spoon that on top of your summer roll and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this video and try it at home. Can't wait to see how it turns out for you.